Oh yeah, there goes South Daytona Police Department right over there. Daytona Beach, Volusia County Sheriff's Office, Daytona Beach, stacked up deep over here. They were just in a pursuit or some type of a following with a couple of these vehicles. Stolen car, nice, thank you. So it's a stolen car apparently. Air 1 was up just a minute ago and there's still people rubbernecking it, taking a look over here and seeing what is all of the fuss. See all the boys over there. Dim Heroes in Blue, listen. Yeah, look at that. Stop stick. One of the cars is stop stick. That deputy with the beard with the shaved head up there, he's a pretty cool guy. I've actually talked to him a few times. I think that's the same zone partner that works with him all the time. They're super nice. Female on the ground. That. People rubbernecking. Alright, we're gonna see if we can get a Oh, we got one intersection down there and one of the streets and a non-signalized intersection. So as long as it's clear, we'll go ahead and cross. We just gotta wait and make sure that there's no traffic coming. But these rubberneckers are gonna hang everything up here, it looks like. Come on, people, let's go. Yep. Nice and clear. So we gotta wait again for the next set of traffic in order to be legal and lawful here. That way we don't get popped for a pedestrian violation. And in Florida, if you weren't aware of it, if you cross between a traffic light and a traffic light right down there, you can get a ticket for a pedestrian violation. But since there's a roadway right here, there's an intersection right here, I can go ahead and cross. Just like this person right here. I don't know why they're holding up everything. Rubberneckers. Have a ski mask in mind because they claim that that's suspicious. Must be having medical come down. She's complaining to something. Here they come. These guys right here going. my chest hurting. That's a lot of cars. That's how you get your ass whooped. Running from the police in a stolen car. I imagine the other dude, maybe the other dude took off. I don't know if there's another person in here or not, but maybe that other person in there. There's two doors open. Yeah, everybody's starting to break off now and take off. Everybody leaving. Looks like it anyway. They got that skinny jeans on. All right, if you don't know where this is what is this, Wilder? I think that's Wilder right there, that next traffic light. South Daytona's over this way, and Adeline right there. They gotta get out of here. Let's go. Yeah, they are. Hey, what's up, man? Daytona Beach. Yeah, down here. There's a Hawaiian Inn Motel if you ever want to get here and come to this location and stay for the night. Rooms are pretty cheap. And got free Wi-Fi, fridge, and microwave. No buffet or no breakfast, though. I think that's going to be it. They're going to get out of here. They've got an arrest. Stolen vehicle. They got it. Hey, just so you know, the city of Daytona Beach, Volusia County, and South Daytona, I think it is, all have, maybe even New Smyrna, all have tag readers. So they'll have, if you hear the radio, they'll call out like Site 1, Site 2, Site 5. Whenever those are called out, those basically are a location for where a tag reader is. And that's ultimately the location for it. I don't know where they're at. Maybe a public records request couldn't find that out, but that's that. So here we are between two signalized intersections. Remember, can't cross, but since there is a break in the roadway here and one over there, it's legal and lawful to cross. I think Akron Amanda got popped for that one time, so now you know. It's under pedestrian statute. I think it's subsection 10 and 11. If you look it up in Florida statutes. I'll see you guys again soon. Let's go.